Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to level up your videos? I'll show you how to make smooth transitions in Canva. Click Create at the top of the screen. Next, select videos from the available options. For this tutorial, choose the landscape video format to proceed. Once you have selected landscape video, navigate to the Templates section. Browse through the available templates and look for a video template that matches your project's requirements. Select a suitable template to get started. Click the Add Video button to upload your video file. Once the video appears in your project, select it and press the play button to preview how it looks and sounds. Next, select this element. While holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, click the second element. This allows you to select both elements at the same time for further actions. Strain the mixture using a strainer to remove any impurities. Clean the strainer thoroughly after use. Next, clean both the front and back sections, including any remaining bitumen. Once everything is cleaned, proceed to the element section. Search for additional bitumen to gather more material. This ensures all components are properly prepared for the next step. Now add your other pictures by clicking the plus icon or dragging them into this area. Arrange them as needed to complete your selection. Select this clip, then add a transition between this clip and the next one. Click on the clip to highlight it, go to the Transitions menu, choose your desired transition, and drag it between the two clips. This will create a smooth visual effect. Search through the available transitions and find one that fits your project. Preview different options to determine which transition looks the best. If your clip is too wide, adjust its duration by dragging the edge. To add a transition, select your clip, then click the Transition button. You can further refine the visual style by adjusting the width again as needed. Experiment with these settings to achieve your desired effect. Click the Duration field to open the settings, then select your desired length from the drop-down menu to set how long the effect should last. Next, play the video by clicking the play button in the center of the video screen. This will start the playback, allowing you to watch and verify the content works as expected for your viewers. To add a transition in your Canva video, first apply the desired transition effect. When you're ready, click the Share button at the top right and select Download. Set the file type to MP4 video. For higher quality, adjust the quality settings before downloading. Click Download again to save your video with the best possible quality. Now you know how to make awesome video transitions in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.